What's going on, y'all, man? It's your boy Spooky, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a quick comparison between TA392 and the Scat Pack. Basically, I'm gonna be going on over the differences, the packages it come with, and things of that nature. But before we get in that video, man, make sure y'all go follow the car page at 64_spooky. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Go watch all the videos, all the content, leave feedback. We're still on the road to 1.5K subscribers and 3K followers. Once we hit that magic number, I will be doing a giveaway. Like I said in the last video, I'll be doing 3 trivia questions, and the first 3 people to get those right will be getting a very special gift from me. All right, so without further ado, let's get this video started. All right, y'all, so we got the big boys out. We got the Scat right there. We got the TA right there. Got my boy Ron with me. Go ahead and shout out, man. Get him on Instagram, everything.
Blade392 on Instagram. Got the TA392 out here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all go get my boy a follow. So, the first thing I'm gonna go over in the differences, right? Main thing, both of them are 392s, right? 6.4 liters. So, engine, still the same. It's what comes on the cars that's the difference, right? So we're gonna start with the TA, right? So y'all can see this man got this shit murder out. Can't even tell, but if you look, boy, you see that big 392, you know what I'm saying? So first thing first, you wanna go over it?
So the TA392, you know, comes with different size 275s with the whole fucking, oh man. We got to run it back.
All right. All right, y'all, so we back, man. As you can see, we got the Scat right there, the TA392 right here. Before we go into the differences, the main things, both of them are 392s, right? So they both come with the 6.4 liter Hemis, the same transmission. Yours stick auto, right? Stick auto. Okay, so yeah, same transmission, the HP70s automatic transmission, 8 speeds, things of that nature. So the drivetrain parts is all the same, but it's the somewhat performance parts, the same somewhat cosmetic parts that come with it from factory. Those is where the big differences come in. So we're gonna start with the TA. First thing first, you got the different badging, things like that. My boy got the Hellcat bumper, so he getting all the air, all the real air. So you come around, as you can see, it's a Challenger. 2 different things: coupe, 4-door sedan, real muscle car, family muscle car. That's the other big difference. So I'm gonna let him explain to you what the differences is on the TA392 compared to the Scat.
The difference mainly is, like, you know, different suspension, 275s, normally comes with 245s on a regular 392. And you know, they do the matte wrap on the hood, trunk, roof, and that's, from what I know, that's the main differences.
Yeah,
but all in all, it's still a 392. It still pushes, and like they kill it on the track too. My bird,
yeah,
kill on the track. And I love it. It runs me good. I got it fully wrapped. It's something different. Change up the game. It does good. It does good.
Yeah, y'all see that stealth murder was satin, right? Satin?
Yeah,
matte?
satin.
Yeah. So you got the satin black wrap. He got the TA that's up under it. I like that. That's different. I've never personally seen that on any TA. This is actually first fully wrapped TA I've ever seen, and I like how it looks. It's real stealthy. Like, these one of those sleepers because you can't even tell, because all the what come from factory, like the TA and the 392 sign is up under the wrap. So I like that. It's real stealthy. So as you can see, they come with different rims on these. They start putting these rims on the Scat Packs or the 392s in general in 2019 once you get the Dynamics package. But the main big difference is you can see them fat The fat boys behind them, the big 6 pistons. That's the big difference right there. They come with the 6 piston Brembos. If you got just a regular base 392, you come with the shorty 4 pistons in the front and the smaller rotors and things like that. Me personally, I don't mind the little Brembos. I don't mind them, but I do love them 6 pistons. 6 pistons look good. So you gonna come around, things like that. You can see they got the 4 pistons in the back. The front rotors, I believe they got more slots on them than the actual stock ones do. Then he got the, oh, they go to Instagram. Y'all go give my boy a follow. Go give him a follow. Things like that. Go blow his notifications up. All right, so you gonna go over any modifications you done to it, things like that?
Oh man, I ain't do too much. Just mainly exhaust. That's pretty much it. Just wrap, you know, nothing real big. Working on it. We'll see as time goes. See what goes on with it. Yeah,
we all say that from the get-go. I always say people, I just got an oil change in the coolant flush.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
That give me like 200 horsepower just right there. But yeah. So yeah, he got the quad tips in the back. I feel like every Challenger needs these quad tips. Like, granted, the stock, I call them bread loaf tips. The stock rectangular tips, they look cool, I guess, but I feel like every Challenger should come with the quad tip. It's just some about those quad tips that make it look real mean from the back. And then he has the window louvers right there. I had those on my car, but I took them off because them shits flew off. So I took them off. I was like, I don't want it flying off in front of nobody's car or nothing like that. Yeah, they got real sketchy. And then he got the Wickerbill. Then he got the matte black. Oh, I didn't even see that. He got the matte black SRT powered Scat Pack badge. Nice, clean, smooth, very attentive to detail wrap. I like this wrap. Everything flows together. They're all matte black, things like that. Well, satin black, my bad. It's a clean look, real stealthy. So now we're gonna go over to mine. I'm modified, everybody knows that, so we ain't even gonna get in that part. But from factory stock, right, it comes with the 245s all around, which is my personal opinion, which is dumb. Well, not dumb, it's just ridiculous, right? Makes no sense to have a 400 plus horsepower factory car with 245s all around. So that's one of the differences between mine and his. His came with 275s from factory, mine came with 245s. As I stated earlier, I got the 4 piston Brembos right there in the front and the back. I think interior different too, right? You got the suede interior. Yeah, so interior is different as well. I have the stock cloth interior. Theirs come with the leather and Alcantara interior. So those really the 2 main differences: the suspension, the brakes, the interior, and the tires. That's kind of basically it. And that's what, like, the whole main discussion that Dodge brought up with the Scat Packs and the SRT 392s when they discontinued the SRT 392s in 2018, is that it's basically really the same car. You just getting the suspension upgrades and brake upgrades from the Hellcat on the SRT 392 that you don't get standard on the Scat Packs. That's really the only main difference. Like, engine is the same, drivetrain, everything else is the same, but the cosmetic interior and the suspension and brakes.
And it doesn't come with track mode. It doesn't come with track mode.
That's right.
That's the only issue I got. It don't come with track mode. It comes with sport mode, you know, eco. But besides that, you gotta get the, what's called the little thing to put in there to unlock the SRT pages.
Oh, the taser. Yeah. So that's the other thing I forgot to mention. So in the 2019s and up, the Scat Pack, the 392s started coming with the SRT performance pages. So when that started happening, that's when the whole big argument with, oh, my Scat Pack is the SRT, all these whole weird, you know, debacles that be going on between people with SRTs and people with Scat Packs. Oh, it's just a RT. It don't matter, bro. It is an SRT. You know what I'm gonna tell you that, Ben? Because 6.4 liters are SRT powered engines. If you was to take a 6.4, put it in a Jeep SRT 6.4, Durango SRT 6.4. So those are things. It's just the trim level of this car is just a Scat Pack or a TA392. But in all actuality, based off the engine specs, it is an SRT engine. So, yeah, you know. So yeah, let's go over little modifications. Like he said, he got the exhaust done. I'm basically down there full bolt on. What else? He got the wrap. I have the hood wrap. But besides that, basically the same car. You know, it's just I have modifications. His somewhat stock. Yeah, slight stock. Yeah. You know. But that's mainly the difference between the Challenger TA392 and the Scat Pack. One is a 4-door, one is a 2-door. One is a Challenger, one is a Charger. So it's not that much big of a difference. Now, I know what you all thinking. It's just like, oh, well, no, man, both of them have the same amount of power. They do the same 0 to 60s. They have the same amount of torque, just two different models. And his is an actual real TA392. Because yours is a 2018? Yeah, so 2017 to 2018, well, 2018 was the last production model for the actual TA392s. Now, after that, it's a Scat Pack, but the TA is now a trim level. So you don't get the actual benefits of saying like, hey, my car is a real TA, because it's actually not. If you have a 2019 and higher, it's a Scat Pack, just a TA trim level. The same thing with the Daytonas. The Daytona 392s were their own trim level, was their own model basically up until 2018, and it became a trim under Scat Pack in 2019 and up. So that's one of the weird things Dodge did. I don't know why they did that. I guess it was to get rid of some confusion, but that's neither here nor there. But overall, solid car. Can't wait for the build. Can't wait to see what you got going on next, you know? So, hey, make sure y'all stay tuned for big things popping, little things stopping. Without further ado, that's gonna conclude the video. A little slight short video, just a quick comparison between two different cars, two different models, but the same engines. So, before we end this video, make sure y'all go follow that car page, 64_spooky. Make sure y'all go give my boy a follow. I'll drop all his information, all his links to all his social media pages down below in the description. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, man, it's your boy Spooky, and I'm out.